maybe got the wrong tree. I told him. I wasn't here. I got a phone call. The tree was through my son's house. He's on vacation. It's not as bad as it looks on the inside. The tree limbs went through the front wall there, and of course you got a big hole in front of the house. But the inside's not too bad. The fire department has shored it up, so try to get a tree service out here to get it out.
Any estimates on what the wind speed was like?
Somebody told me that it was clocked in at 70 miles an hour in the Deer Park area.